What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another video. Today we are gonna be installing the Poons 94 wing add-on. Here we got Papao, the helper, the OG. He's gonna be removing the Poons from the box. You know, every time I leave, because I don't know if you guys don't know, but I'm not staying in Miami right now, and every time I come back, he's always like, yo, what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today? That's why the MR2 is super dirty. Yeah, it's crazy. Once I paint it white, I think it's gonna look nice, white on white. And then maybe put like a decal in the bottom saying something funny, so when anybody's behind me, they'll just have a laugh. ¿Está bien, papá? So guys, I'm gonna have to remove the wing because and the reason why is because of there's no clearance to make the hose with the wing installed. So I have to remove the wing. Looks, and you know what, it matches the mud flaps. The car's super dirty, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash it real quick and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Well guys, Poons wing is installed. We are missing a bolt right over there because Grandpa lost it. Anyways, I gave it a little quick wash. This is how the rear looks. And yeah, guys, this is what we got. Anyway guys, that's it. That's the end of this video. I definitely want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed, everybody who's showing support, watching these videos. Just keep supporting. It definitely keeps me motivated. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Anyways, today is Sunday and Mother's Day. So happy Mothers to all the mothers watching, and you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Dale.